All right, everybody, we are at Gaylord Palms, and one of the, 3 or 4 different themed rooms. We are in the Key West section, and as you can see, just a very simple yet elegant room. But that's not the best part. This right here is the best part. We have an amazing view of the atrium. And yes, we are still in the hotel. Nice French doors. And we'll take a quick look this way. There's people in the mirror. Oh no. Here's your bathroom. And your bathroom area. Rather simple. And one of the many different rooms here at Gaylord Palms. But again, rooms are just one part of it. It's all about the view, the atrium. Oh my God, somebody came in from the balcony. No, kidding.
Squirrel girl.
Squirrel girl, right? And we're gonna take you for a walk around the rest of the hotel as well. But once again, that view.